hey guys, hey little fist, what am I doing? He's getting captured. Look, he's getting captured. Hey, you don't just say hi. Wow. What an introduction to our first video. We're back with him. No, you're gonna be seeing it on your channel. On my channel, wait. I saw you. He saw you. They saw you. Oh. Go get help. The video was about a week ago. And later we're gonna fuck you then.
Let's go.
No. I'm not going outside with the freaking wet. So yeah,
Who cares if it's wet?
as it was about a week ago.
Yeah, it's pouring rain.
And now the screen's wet.
Yeah, my one.
Your screen's wet.
Yes.
Your fault.
Well, it's your fault.
Your fault. I'm gonna just do my project on writing paper.
I'll put it in my phone, okay?
So later we'll do a video when it stops raining.